Morning students, welcome to English class. Beta, today we will read a new lesson, Florence Nightingale, page number 107 from your English pattern. Okay beta, so let's start. Read it yourself beta. I will read it, then you will read after me. Okay. In 1854, the Englishmen were fighting a war. Sick and wounded English soldiers were sent to a hospital in Turkey. Florence Nightingale went there with a group of women to help them. The hospital was in a poor state. It did not have sufficient beds, and many soldiers were laid on blankets on the mud. It was dirty and smelly too. Florence Nightingale had the floors scrubbed and the drains cleaned. She arranged for food, clothes and medicines. Every night she went through the wards carrying a little lamp. She talked to all those who could not sleep or who were in pain. The soldiers called her the lady with the lamp. She worked so hard that she fell seriously ill. She almost lost her life. Florence Nightingale was adventurous too. Now I will explain Florence Nightingale. In 1854, the Englishmen were fighting a war. Sick and wounded English soldiers were sent to a hospital in Turkey. Florence Nightingale went there with a group of women to help them. So as I said earlier, she was a very kind nurse, and Florence Nightingale was also sent along with the group of women to help the wounded English soldiers who were sent to a hospital. But there she went and saw the hospital was in a poor state. It did not have sufficient beds, and many soldiers were laid on blankets on the mud. It was dirty and smelly too. So but she went there and saw the hospital was in a very bad condition. State means condition. It did not have sufficient beds. Sufficient means not enough beds. So the patients were made to force to lie down the blanket on the mud, which was very dirty and smelly too. Florence Nightingale had the floor scrubbed. Scrub means clean the floor. So Florence Nightingale had the floor scrubbed and the drains cleaned. She arranged for food, clothes and medicines every night. She went through the wards carrying a little lamp. She talked to all those who could not sleep or who were in pain. The soldiers called her the lady with the lamp. She worked so hard that she fell seriously ill. She almost lost her life. Florence Nightingale was adventurous. So what did the nurse do when she saw the poor conditions of the patient? She herself scrubbed, means cleaned the floor and cleaned even the drains to make it proper as for living condition. She arranged the foods, clothing and medicines to all the patients. And every night, when she finished her work, she used to go and take a round of the wards with a little lamp. Look at the picture. With a little lamp in her hands. And since she made a round of the wards carrying a lamp in her hands, the soldiers called her as Lady with a Lamp. So this was a title given to her by all the wounded patients. She even used to talk to all the patients who could not bear the pain or who could not have peaceful night. She used to comfort by talking to them. She worked so hard that she herself seriously fell ill and almost she was carried to the death. So she was very adventurous too. So now you understand So this is a story of a generous and kind nurse, she served mankind and humanity to her best. For your easiness, I will send the video so that you.
Florence Nightingale was a nurse who saved many lives in the 19th century. She was named after the city of Florence in Italy, where her parents went after they got married in 1818. Her family was rich, and they had 2 homes in Britain, as well as servants. Florence was an unusual young woman for her time because she didn't want to go to parties and get married. She wanted to be a nurse and help people. Her family didn't want her to become a nurse because hospitals back then were dirty, horrible places. They were worried about her. In 1851, Florence went to Germany and learned all about nursing. It was hard work, but she loved it. In 1854, lots of British soldiers went to fight in the Crimean War. Army hospitals were filled with injured men, but there were no nurses and many men died. Florence and a team of nurses went to help. Florence worked 20 hours a day to make the army hospital a cleaner and safer place. She brought the men fresh food, she cleaned the hospital beds, and she used clean bandages on the wounded soldiers. Soon, fewer men were dying. At night, Florence walked around the hospital. She talked to the injured soldiers and helped the men to write letters to their families. She carried a lamp, and the soldiers called her the Lady with the Lamp. When Florence returned to England, people called her a heroine because of her amazing work in the Crimean War. Queen Victoria wrote her a letter to say thank you. She continued to work hard in Britain to improve hospitals, and she was given a medal called the Order of Merit. She was the first woman to receive this honor.
Beta, now we will do the hard words of this lesson. First one is Florence, Florence, Florence. Second one is Nightingale, Nightangale, Nightingale. Third one is Sufficient, Sufficient. Fourth one is Scrubbed, Scrubbed, Scrubbed. Now the fifth one is Arranged, Arranged, Arranged. Sixth one is Medicines, Medicines. Seventh one is Seriously, Seriously, Seriously. Now eighth one is Adventurous, Adventurous. Ninth one is Turkey, Turkey. And the 10th is Smelly, Smelly. So beta, that are the hard words of this lesson. You have to write on the fair notebook and learn it. Okay beta, thank you.